How to fix YouTube not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, you have to make sure your internet connection is stable. Now the second thing you have to check is your phone's time and date. For that, open your settings. At the top you can see that search bar, type in your time. Now tap on this option of date and time. Now from here you can just toggle on for this option of use network provided time and use network provided time zone. After you set it up, you can go and check if your YouTube is working or not. Likewise, the other solution is you have to update your YouTube. For that, open your Play Store, search for the app YouTube. After app appears, you can see the option of open or update. If you see the option of update, just tap on it and update your YouTube to its latest version, and then you can check if your YouTube is working or not. But if you see the option of open, that means your YouTube is already up to date. After you update it, you can just check if your YouTube is working or not. Likewise, the another solution is you have to update your Android version. For that, open your settings. Now open the option of about phone. From here, you can easily update your Android version. After you do that, your problem might be fixed. You can go and check. Likewise, the another solution is you have to clear cache and data for your YouTube. Long press on your YouTube app. Tap on the option of app info. At the bottom, you can find that option of clear data. Tap on it. Tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. If all of this solution doesn't work for you, then you can give a fresh restart to your phone and check whether your YouTube will work or not. So these are the ways to fix YouTube not working. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.